Hey there, ready to master roulette in just 3 minutes? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the roulette wheel and table layout. You've got the wheel with numbered pockets alternating red and black. And don't forget the green zeros. European roulette has 37 pockets with a single zero, while American roulette has 38 pockets with an extra double zero. Now let's break down the types of bets. Inside bets and outside bets. Inside bets are placed on individual numbers or small groups of numbers, like the straight bet, where you bet on a single number for a 35-to-1 payout, or the split bet, covering two adjacent numbers with a 17-to-1 payout. For a street bet, you're betting on 3 numbers in a row with an 11-to-1 payout. A corner bet covers 4 numbers forming a square at 8-to-1, and a 6-line bet covers 2 rows paying out 5-to-1. Outside bets cover larger groups of numbers. Bet on red or black, odd or even or high or low for a 1-to-1 payout. Dozens bets cover groups of 12 numbers, and columns bets cover vertical columns, each paying out 2-to-1. Placing bets is simple. The dealer spins the wheel and you place your bets. When the dealer calls no more bets, the ball lands in a pocket and winners are paid according to their bets. Now let's talk strategies. The martingale strategy involves doubling your bet after each loss, aiming to recover losses with a win. High risk, but can be rewarding. The reverse martingale, or paroli, doubles your bet after each win to capitalize on streaks. The D'Alembert system increases your bet by 1 unit after a loss and decreases it by 1 after a win. Less risky, but with lower rewards. The Fibonacci system follows the Fibonacci sequence, moving forward after losses and back after wins. More manageable risk. Now the odds. European roulette has a house edge of 2.7% due to the single zero. American roulette has a higher house edge of 5.26% because of the double zero. Here are some tips to enhance your game. Stick to European roulette for better odds. Set a budget and don't exceed it. Play outside bets for consistency. And remember, don't chase losses. Have fun and enjoy the game. So there you have it. A quick guide to mastering roulette. Now go ahead and give it a spin. Happy playing.